Hey! How silly does this hat look? Tell the truth. Don't make fun of me. My kids got me that hat. Yesterday was my wedding anniversary and my kids told my wife, we know exactly what Dad needs. Dad needs a new fishing hat. That's the hat they got me. So hey, I'm gonna wear it until they tell me to stop wearing it because they're embarrassed of me. What are we doing today? Garden beds. I need to make more garden beds that look like the one, this. I've been to Menards. I got more materials. Let's get started. Everything looked really good until that last corner, and then everything just fell over. I hate it when that happened. So the other day I made one of those beds and my wife told me, hey, you know, it'd be kind of nice if we had one more of those. So I went to town today and I bought enough supplies to make 5 more, so we'd have 6 total. She does not know I'm making that many. She does not want me to make that many, but here's the thing. Anything worth doing is worth overdoing. So I don't even know what I'm going to plant. I don't even know how I'm going to fill them up because, again, I don't really know what I'm doing. Want to see something funny? I'm 6'6" and I can't find the bottom legs of my sawhorses. So I tried to make this little stop block thing because I need to cut like, I don't know, 50 of these boards 21 inches. And now I have to work on a thing so short. Check. Hey. No. I'm probably going to regret throwing these on the floor. Okay, that's it. We did it. Should be 50 down there. Now I'm going to try and adjust the stop block. My second stop block ever in my life. See if we can make it to where the short ends, like I think it's 46 inches is how long I want them. So take a break, and then adjust the stop block, and then I'll be back. Stay tuned. Time to get the Craig jig out. I guess I just sit here now and screw. Holy crap, it takes a long time to drill all those holes. That's finally done. Let's lay all this out and see where we are. Come here. You should be asking yourself right now, why is that guy crawling all over the ground? Isn't there a bench? Doesn't he have a wall made of 100 ton of concrete that he can just use as a bench? Yeah. I don't know, man. I forgot. Let's see if this works better. Unfortunately, I think I have to be done today. I only had 2 square bits, and unfortunately, I mean, they're old and I've used them a bunch, but they're both rounded over. It's the next day. I went and got more square bits. I've assembled all the framing, and now I'm gonna start putting the metal on. This has taken exponentially longer than I thought it would. Let's keep going. Let's get done today. That wasn't even close to the line. So all the metal's finally attached. You might be wondering, like, what are the dimensions? Well, they're 8 foot long, that way I didn't have to cut any 2x4s or cut any metal. The ends are 4 foot long, but I cut the metal 44 inches. Yeah, right, I tried to. You see, look, I didn't cut my hand off. Anyway, the plan is now, I probably won't assemble all these tonight, but I'm gonna assemble a couple, and I'll make another video about filling them up. But anyway, let me just get a couple assembled. I'll show you. So this is basically it, right? It's going to be 4 feet across by 8 feet. I should have enough material to make 6 of these total. I did make one the other day that would make 6. I'm not going to assemble all 6 today because I don't even know where I'm going to put 6. The other day, yesterday, it was just yesterday, I said, well, my wife didn't want me to get 6. I did anyway. She was right. I was wrong. I should not have bought this many supplies. But nevertheless, I'm going to assemble 2 today, put them over here, get them placed, get them filled, get them planted, and then when I know where I'm going to put the rest, I'll assemble them at that time. But this is it. This is the plan of how I'm going to make, I guess, a shitload of raised garden beds all at the same time. So let me know if I did good. Let me know if I did bad. I know I could have made it better, and I know I could have put like fancy ends on the top, 2x6s maybe. I don't know. Its only job is just sit there and just hold dirt in. So anyway, hey man, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bonus footage. We actually ended up filling one of these beds up tonight. You see, I did put a 2x4, whoops, a 2x4 going that way because it looked like it was starting to bow out once we started filling it in. I filled it in with literally the bottom with all the firewood I had left here, and then we went and got a bunch of bags of dirt. So we used probably 75 bags. Not the cheapest way to do it, but whatever the case, that's what we're making. So here's another one that's completely ready to be filled up. Well, it needs to be leveled a little bit more, but that's the intention. So hey, once again, thanks for watching, and I don't know, let me know if it's a good idea, bad idea. Other people on the internet make these all the time. They probably do better than I do, but I just was like, well, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks.